Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off calendar, lock, time zone on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the calendar app and then tap on the menu key at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon, then we go down and tap on lock time zone and tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off. If you turn it on, you can also choose the time zone for it to lock to. And here say lock the time and date of events to your selected time zone. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your calendar view, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.